Alright, here we go. We gotta beat that man. We gotta beat that man right there. Yeah. Y'all see him? Yeah, y'all see him over there walking? We gotta beat his ass over here. So what's up? Yeah, this the fit. What you got to say, bro? What you got to say? Not a damn thing. I do. What does this kid not do for the money, man? What does this kid don't do for the money, man? Oh, mama. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. State to state, coast to coast. Saying which brokers loads pay the most. Hey. Out here trying to get to this bag, YouTube. We're trying to get to this bag. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here, every night I'm there. Hit me with a text, you know I'm right here. Call me on the phone, I'll be right there. I'm right here to make sure you're right there. And cheers, feel blessed just to be with ya. Hold ya just to kiss ya. Take a hit to ya, swish ya with ya. There's a love that's blind, and if that's the case, I never wanna see the light of day. I wanna soak in your love day by day. I'm tired of this faking, trifling, gold digging pitches. Coming up just to take pictures with a rapper. Now let me ball all alone. I need a fantasy chick that I can take home.
Fancy, I can't help the way I feel. You need my fancy, that's how I know it's really real. Fancy, ain't nothing else I can do. You need my fancy, don't wanna be without you.
If I can remember long, I'm sitting home all alone talking talking to you on my cell phone, asking how we gonna move on. I got my heart open up, waiting for you to come on. Girl, are you gonna take it or just move on? Girl, you a dime piece, I'm strapped with 9 piece. I want your world to be my world, who could resist? Between us, no fancies, create no offenses. I wanna say I love you on a daily basis. Focus on yours, avoid all the faces. Girl, you're beautiful, you with it, I'ma stick with it. Let me show you how a princess should be treated. Black knight, ODR in a bow tie. Girl, let me hold you tight through the whole night. Life is hard, but we're gonna be alright.
Fancy, I can't help the way I feel. You need my fancy, that's how I know it's really real. Fancy, ain't nothing else I can do. You need my fancy, don't wanna be without you.
Baby, let me love you like you never loved before. I don't wanna let you go. Let me hold you tight tonight.
Let's forget about all that money you just seen. Now you can't do nothing about. Alright, so this is good because I thought it was gonna be dead end, but it's not a dead end. It goes a little bit further. So that's so, which means our destination should be coming up. We're looking for 300 Industrial Drive. The company name is Fort Fiber. Fort Fiber, man. 300 Industrial Drive, y'all. So there goes Polyglass. That ain't it. What is the address on this one? So truck entrance. And of course, no damn address. Alright, so 325 right there, Johnson Manville. On the right. There goes 300. Yes, sir. There goes 300. There goes 300 on the left. There goes 300, my boy. Snap. Alright, look like we gotta do what we did out there. Now we gotta do what we did out in Laredo and El Paso, which is park on the streets, working there, turning the paperwork, and let's see what kind of nonsense they come up with, man. Yes, sir. So, hang on tight, baby. Hang on tight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put on some damn shoes, right? You know what? I will show y'all the fits, but I know some of y'all trying to be funny, so one of my friends told me, she said, I bet your feet look like flour right now. Hey, that was low-key funny, alright? Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, here we go. We gotta beat that man. We gotta beat that man right there. Yeah, y'all see him? Yeah, y'all see him over there walking? We gotta beat his ass over here. So what's up? Yeah, this the fit. What you got to say, bro? What you got to say? Not a damn thing I do. It's the fits for the day. We made this delivery. Damn near Reno, Nevada. We out here trying to make stuff happen, my boy. Trying to make things happen. It's cold. Cold as balls, boy. Cold as balls. But we out here, though. Whoo, we out here. Yes, sir. Hopefully these people have came to work. Hopefully. If not, oh well, we're still out here. We're still out here if they ain't here. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Hold on, y'all. We'll be right back. So, just like prediction, y'all. So, we were right on the money. Instructed to pull in. This is how you know you're cold, because I felt like the camera was getting glassy, and we're recording in 4K. So yeah, yeah, they said pull in over there where one of those guys live. Then I come in. So that's where we need to be, right there. So there we go. There we go. It's getting glassy out here, boy. It's getting glassy. So what we're doing, what I want to know. So I said we're going to bust a U-turn, go back over there, get behind, and just slide through. Because I think some of those people over here are picking up. We're delivering. We are delivering, you two. All right. Y'all hang tight. Let's figure this out. I'll be back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's where the dark skin found himself, my boy. Reno, Nevada. The dark skin found himself. So we were obviously able to drop off the load. Sorry about that. I wasn't able to make sure y'all can see me. It's literally like 3 o'clock. It's now. What time is it right now? It's about 4 o'clock right now. But it's already dark out here, right? And based on that look, I've been told that I got about a 5-foot snow coming. 5-foot snow coming, and it sounds about correct. I'm not even gonna sit here argue with nobody, fight nobody. It sounds about correct. So meanwhile, I'm just out here hanging tight, man. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I'm just out here chilling. We delivered the load, but there was only like 2 loads coming out of Reno, man, with the brokerage that I use. So my eyes is to stay on the low board whenever, if I can find something leaving Reno going down to California, then we're gonna snag that. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna snag that. If we can get a load coming out of Reno, go to California. There's 2 choices, which I will have my mind make up by 12. If by the time I wake up tomorrow at 12 o'clock, I don't get nothing out of here by 12, then I'm going to dedicate 500-mile deadhead to Southern California. And matter of fact, my broker hit me up. He's like, hey, I got this load coming out of Carson, California, 5,300, 2,100 miles. Do you want it? Yes, I want it, but I'm in Reno. You know what I'm saying? The load picks up today, which is the 20th. No, today's the 19th. It would have picked up tomorrow. Yeah, you're like, oh, so why you still sitting? Hey, hear me out. This is why I'm still sitting here. I already showed y'all. Yeah, that's why I'm still sitting over here. Because if I'm empty, if I start rolling when that phone call came in, which would have been around 1, 2 o'clock, God forbid it's windy. It's freaking 32 degrees right now, but earlier it was like 28. I have no weight on me, man. I have no weight on me to be going up and down these mountains. I wasn't going to risk it. But if I can find a load that can put some weight on me, then by all means, I'm going to take it down to California, man. Or by 12 tomorrow, if I don't get nothing, we're going to roll out. But at least we'll be doing the day, and we're going to pray for a little sun, you know. A little sun to be shining on us, man. So all the rookies, remember that, man. When it comes to you driving in the winter, the secret to driving the winter is the only time, depending on where you're going, where you want to have a heavy load. Winter is the only time, depending on where you're going, where you actually want your truck to be heavy. because heavy gives you traction. Oh yeah, and we ended up buying the chain too. Y'all remember, oh boy, that's the jumper, you know, boom, 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 and the bag is a chain. Oh yeah, we ended up buying the chain for this trip because I thought it was gonna be so bad to get over here in Nevada to where I would needed a change. Thank the good Lord I didn't. We're still messing with ice, cold, blah blah blah, snow on the ground, but I didn't need no chain. All right, so that's it. So with that being said, this load, this video, no, that's gonna be the end of it. I posted a previous video to this showing up where I ended up, you know, I had a drop off in McAllen. I picked this one up in Laredo, and we're here, man. We made it. We picked it up Friday, and we made it here. We made it to Rio, Nevada on Monday, man. That's the beauty of running your own authority, right? You just tend to get you tend to get to places really fast, y'all. Anyways, you know what the deal is, YouTube, the baddest man on the land. Oh, mama! There goes that man, YouTube. My videos are real, my videos are raw, my videos are authentic. You can't talk trucking without putting Chasing Mr. Hamilton in YouTube. You know how it is, man. Y'all enjoy that view, y'all. Yes, sir.